I've been using mouth tape, hostage tape, and I sleep and I breathe through my nose. Nose breathing keeps the tongue positioned correctly against the palate and jaw forward, maintaining an open airway that minimizes snoring and sleep apnea episodes. Mouth breathing allows the tongue to fall back, obstructing airflow, which definitely happens to me. It boosts nitric oxide production for better oxygen uptake and blood flow, supporting deeper sleep cycles and parasympathetic nervous system activation for relaxation. This leads to fewer awakenings and higher sleep quality. And I feel so much better when I wake up. I mean, significantly better with less sleep. My personal feeling when I wake up in the morning and I tape my mouth shut, I feel way better.